June 27th. Let's take a look at SPY. So we did not. We missed out the whole rally up, new all-time highs. Just looking for a place to short, but not shorting. It's just against my nature to continue a move, or I just always look to fade. Anyway, around this time, Trump tweets about how Canada trade has stopped, basically because they've imposed taxes on tech companies. And I got in a bit late, but thinking that the move is still going to continue. So with a short here, covered on the 1G. Now, I was looking at this previous all-time high, it's 100% level of the fib, but I just didn't take it, and I should have waited a bit to take it. Would have doubled the income, especially on these 0 DTEs. As you can see, we had a clean bounce right off it. Now, I should have been looking to enter again off these levels, because the move is such a big move. It wouldn't be. I just didn't sense it would have been done by now. Anyway, I got in again for a short put, and then another very short put. Now these were good that I didn't hold them for too long. Just the market didn't seem to be falling like it should have been. Plus, look at the 1 day was, well, just yeah, on the tick it was just getting a bit bottomy. Excuse me. So yeah, took another small short off VWAP, but we had such strong momentum. I should have switched. Now this is just a clean V. It was so strong. Now I want to look at Google because that, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck? So sluggish in the AM. Let's just fucking forget that move. Sluggish in the AM. We have this trend line that we could have just followed down here, especially off 1G. This is again a bread and butter trade right there. A trend line off of a level. Fuck. Although it's interesting how if you don't include the after hours, the trend line changes. So I need to look into that. But anyway, after we start to move up, I sold all my cash. I bought back all my cash secure puts. Before we get below the 172.5. So about here, just fearing that we'd continue to go down because the tax is applying to tech companies. But then what the fuck was this? I can't explain it. I can't explain it. Just as soon as we passed the trend line, I guess, just bang, this was unbelievable off the VWAP. Everybody wants to be in it. The volume is unbelievable. Highest of the year, maybe highest ever. Let's fucking see this shit. Let's do 5 years. Okay, no, we have some instances of it. It's the highest green volume in 5 years. We had red days that were higher. One of them was the tariff day. But this is unbelievable. Bro, it's the second highest green volume in 10 years. It's in the top 10. That we're talking about 2020. It's unbelievable. When it came out of nowhere, it came out of fucking nowhere. So, you know, this was on the 8 and then it just pounded the fuck up. So we've got to be in Google. We got to be in Google, and we are long Google, but we need to be more aggressive in Google. I think I have a long call, or I think I might have backed out and not bought it actually. Um, yeah, I do have an August call, but I bought it after the fact. I bought it after the move, unfortunately. So it's actually down. Um, but still, I can't explain this level of enthusiasm. I can't explain it. Very interesting to see what happens next week. I think we do see a return to all-time highs. I think we do see that, so I need to be aggressive in that position. Um, in other news, Sarepta continues to be a complete dog. My retirement account is completely fucked. So that's bad news. But yeah, I'm trying to, today I looked at Flow all day, pretty much. That was one of the first days I used Flow repeatedly. Just the live throw feature, and we just kept getting continuous in video calls, continuous in video calls, some circle puts as well. Those were the key standouts. And if we look at the chart, I mean, as you can expect, Nvidia was a beast as usual. Even after the drop, we got Nvidia close. Oh, look at that off ATR. I need a screen where I can just watch many different tickers and their levels. I need more compute space. Definitely need more compute space. And then a circle, we had puts all day. Now I was actually in puts here, got out for a loss here, got out for a loss. So, missed this move down, unfortunately. What else did we see from the live flow? That was interesting. Again, just repeated in video calls, just smashing the shit out of it. A lot of new calls as well. That didn't really have any effect. So yeah, lessons. I need a screen with all the different with some tickers that I'm going to watch, like Nvidia, Google, etc. Because once they play off a pattern like this or a level, you need to have a position in them, man. These are really, really good. Aside from that, I did some prediction markets today based on what Trump will say in the Rwanda Congo meeting, and it went really well. I was up, like what? 24%, 25% just on that. Because odds of like Iran, Pakistan were at 50%, which was a no-brainer for me. Of course, he wants to celebrate his wins. He doesn't care about the detail. He just wants to celebrate wins. Mistake was betting on mineral, the word mineral. Again, it's two in the details. He's not into that. He doesn't care about details. So overall, I think it was a good day, man. I'm happy.